What's going on, boys? You already know. Fishing with loyalty. As you can see, your boys at the Grassy Pond. We're out here to catch some bass. Got the lose light, and I'm here with the one and only Andrew Hanna. Yes, sir. Stay tuned for a little bit of fishing. Gotta catch the biggins. What just happened, bro? I feel like kicking the bass right now, bro. Can't lie. True. Alright, let me get the rig. Dang, bro. I literally feel like kicking the bass right now. Here are the crappy noodles. Alright. Hopefully I'm getting this right. I just cast over you. Hopefully, hopefully this is good. I don't know really how to do it. But it feels the grass has definitely moved. Make sure this is good. It's a little cooked, but it'll work. The grass is starting to get to me, bro. It is. I feel like it's a fish. Low-key, we've caught all the 1-pounders out of here. You think? Maybe. Say hi to the camera. I wonder how the quality is. It's pretty good. That's good. Alright, that is. Come on, man. Let's go, bro. It's pretty big. Keep pressure on it. Yeah, baby. Okay. How do I get down there? Dude, bro, I couldn't even feel, bro. Like it was like he was that far back. Yeah, it's hard to judge it, like where like the camera is. Like, should I be going all the way up or not? Probably not, right? Come on. Yeah. Stay pinned, baby. Okay, yeah. What color you got on? No. I'm on 3. I mean, like that fish, bro, like could probably never been caught on a. I mean, you maybe could have hooked it, but like for the fish to really devour it, nah. I mean, I'm just casting where that grass, like, I'm casting like right on it, and the bass is just gonna be right underneath that. Dude, that is 1.5, bro. Right. Let's go like a little bit like that. All right. What is that? Wait, I'm on. Yeah, bro. I'm just casting, bro. Like, literally. true. When I use lizards though, like I can't hook up to the into the fish, you know? Like, dude, for a $25 rod, you gotta think this rod handles them pretty okay. But like this is more mainly like a crappy rod, you know? Where? Dude, what? What is this guy on about, bro? Alright boys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.